Hey guys, since I have 8,000 pallets, let's play. I am feeling extra pinky and bright, so I'm going to try the Revolution Forever Flawless Birds of Paradise. God, I hate them plastic things. I mean, I know they do what they're supposed to, but I still hate them. That's what this looks like. It looks so pretty. Snap, snap, let's get to it. I do love these little bow ties. Look how cute they are. They're just little hair things. They are setting up my cable and internet, so while I'm waiting, I figured, why not play with some shit, right? Because why not? Why not? And I got a new hair color. It's kind of hard to see. Kind of, sort of, maybe, a little bit. And I can't find my head, apparently. Whatever. I'm looking for my swatchy, swishy swatchy. You know, you would think by now I would have my shit together. I found it. I just had to. It was at a place that it's normally not. Let's see, what should we go in with first? There's not really any neutral, so I'm gonna go in with this white cockatoo. I already put the NYX white base down. I'm not gonna go in a whole lot with this cockatoo. Any cockatoo. Yeah, it had to be said. I had to. Shit. Oh, I don't know what's wrong with me. I started work extra early today because I knew I'd be off the phones or off the stuff for a while. And I was right, because it's taken a hella time. Hella time. But they're very, very nice. AT&T people. I just want to get up and running so I can work, because I have to make my hours up. And that's why I started so early. You guys want to hear a funny story? Oh shit, I put the wrong color. You're going to really like this. So, remember I did a video on Hank and Henry Sex Talk palette? Well, I also posted I posted a picture of me with the palette name. So, anyone that's new, my boy toy, who I've been together almost 5 years now or something like that, I don't fucking know. Anyways, he's broken his English. He comes storming out of the bathroom. Just fucking storming out of the bathroom. I'm like, what the hell? He's like, what is this shit you're putting on? What is this shit you're putting on Facebook? He's like, why are you trying to he says, why are you trying to have sex talk sex with someone? And I'm all like, you're a moron. I said, if you'd watch my YouTube videos, you'd know that sex talk is the name of a freaking palette, you idiot. I'm like, do you really think knowing that I have you on YouTube and Instagram and Facebook that I would put that? Like, you're fucking moron. Oh shit, I went a little overboard on that. Oh my god, it was so funny. I'm like, do you want me to go get the like, do you want me to go get the palette and show you, you idiot? So yeah, that happened. True story. And I still think it's hilarious. So now I'll look at him sometimes and and say, "Baby, you want to have some sex talk?" He'd be like, "Shut up, kid." Or it's, "Oh, not funny." I'm like, most women are not like most guys where, unless they're getting paid for it, really just want to have sexy talk with random strangers. I shouldn't say that. I mean, there's some women, and you do you, boo. I don't judge. But they usually aren't going to put all that shit up on the internet if they have a significant other, unless that person doesn't do it too. Oh god, it was so funny. Oh, he was so mad. He was like, who are you trying to have sex talk with? I'm like, what? More. Like, you're a knob. Like, I'm a lot of things, but that stupid would not be one of them. I'm like, do you really, really think, knowing that I have you on everything, that I'm going to put that? Like, seriously, dude. Get it together, man. So, yeah, there's my funny. There's my funny. This is beautiful, by the way. Oh, I just really almost went like that. I'm just buffing it out a little bit. But, because it's me and I gotta be extra, I just want to really stick my finger in this mushy one. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, doggy. And then I gotta stick my finger in Hot Tropic because it's mushy too. And I like how it feels. And I think this is just just to give it a little glittery, but not glitter. It's to give it a little sparkly sparkles. I can't think of the word I was trying to think of. But that is this, and it is a beautiful palette. And it was $10 on sale from Ulta, and I'm so glad Miss Rhonda said told me about it so I could pick it up. And let's use this color. beautiful. And I'm gonna grab, I'm going to, maybe, I don't know where to put anything. I'll just grab this one. No, I really want that NARS one because it's fantabulous. Got it. I might have to get a big freaking NARS of this mascara because, oh my God, it's so good. And it's just how I like it. One coat, one and done. So good. The palette also, my little review for the palette since I lived through that whole thing. The palette is wonderful. Climax mascara from NARS is wonderful. And it's fun to say. Everyone likes a good climax. I'm just going to go in with little KVD. Literally a little. I feel like extra pink, like I'm the Pink Panther and shit. I got pink leggings on too. I had to put on a sweatshirt because it's cold, baby. We're only going to be in like the 60s. And I think the lower 60s. So that is my look with my hair that I haven't done anything to, but we ain't gonna talk about one. Look at it, it's beautiful. The eyes are beautiful. The face is, well, it's my face. So 100% recommend Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless. Flock of birds or flock of fucking bird shit. I forgot what it's called. Come in! Birds of Paradise. Thank you. Yes! Okay, sorry. I had to let the cable guy back in. But that is it. That's the show. Or the AT&T guy. Whatever. Thank you guys for watching. I love you all so very much. Wash your hands, wash your butts.